listen into a conversation that ET Now had with the Union Minister Prahlad Joshi. Have a look.
Such a major reform and relief to the common man, to the poor people, it cannot be done within 10 days, 15 days. Prime Minister, as far as I know, he was preparing this positive move for the poor people and to the middle class people from quite some time. It cannot happen within a day, within a 15 days. The preparation was quite on because naturally Prime Minister wanted to give a big relief to the people. He has announced it in the his Independence Day speech. तो उससे पहले ही होमवर्क किया होगा ना.
Not talking about these sectors, especially the ministry that you are leading. Consumer affairs इस पूरे reform में सबसे बड़ा केंद्र में consumer को रखा है. What is your understanding? What is your analysis कि इस reform से what sort of relief the consumers will be having and ये festive season उनके लिए कैसा रह सकता है?
As far as a consumer affairs minister, I am extremely happy because Prime Minister has given me the responsibility of taking care of the consumer. तो कंज्यूमर केयर क्या होता है? कंज्यूमर को अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में उनको मिलना चाहिए. कोई भी चीज वो खरीदना चाहते हैं तो मिलना चाहिए. सो दैट हैज बीन डन. ये तो टैक्स कम किया है, व्यापारी को कंप्लायंस कम किया है. टैक्स एज फार एज फूड एंड ऑलमोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कंज्यूमर रिलेटेड कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स जो है, दे आर स्पेशली फूड either 0% है, 5% है. कंज्यूमर गुड्स लाइक हेयर ऑयल हो, शैम्पू हो, टूथपेस्ट हो, टूथब्रश हो, बहुत ही ऐसे प्रोडक्ट, दे आर ऑल्सो विद इन दिस रेंज ओनली, either 5% or 0%. So this will fill the pocket of either poor people to an extent and to the common man. इनका जो spending capacity है, his spending capacity will increase. Purchasing power will increase. So that will add to the economy. This is one is I am happy.